Welcome to ECS 2025, the European Collaboration Summit, the European AI and Cloud Summit, and the European BizApps Summit, 3 world-class events under one roof. Before you arrive, let's walk you through everything you need to know to make the most out of your experience.
Visit run.events/app and download the app for iOS or Android. Log in using the same email address you used to register for your ticket, otherwise the app won't recognize your access. Once you're in, the app becomes your personal event assistant. Stay up to date with real-time event updates. Browse the agenda and build your own personal schedule. Connect and network with other attendees. Collect CollabCoins and redeem them for coffee, swag, and more.
When you registered, we only asked for your name and email, but your badge won't look great without your company name. Open your profile in the app and add your company name. It will appear on your printed badge. Include your job role and contact details so connections can reach out after the event. This is your professional fingerprint for the conference. Make it count.
On arrival, have your ticket's QR code ready. You'll find it in your registration email or in the app under Tickets. Add it to Apple or Google Wallet for easy access. Head to one of our 12 self-service kiosks. Scan your QR code. Your badge will be printed automatically. Don't worry about which of the 3 co-located conferences you're attending. The kiosk will handle that. Badges are adhesive. Fold both parts together, thread the lanyard, and you're set. If anything goes wrong, our support desk is right there to help. Next, pick up your welcome package. It includes your lunch vouchers and other goodies.
If you've booked a pre-conference tutorial on Monday, May 26th, lunch will be served near the tutorial rooms, buffet style, with multiple options. For the main conference days, Tuesday, May 27th, and Wednesday, May 28th, lunch will be served in the food trucks in the expo area. Use the app to see which trucks offer which meals. When you checked in, you received 2 lunch vouchers, 1 for each day. They're valid for a meal and a drink at any food truck. Important, vouchers are non-replaceable, so keep them safe. Use the Run Events app to scan other attendees' badges and you'll instantly be connected. After you are connected, you can chat, schedule one-on-one meetings, and stay in touch. All of that right in the app.
And yes, CollabCoins are back. Earn them by visiting sessions and sponsors. Spend them on swag, coffee, or even a cold beer. Want to see what's available and how many coins you need? The app shows it all. Track your coin balance, what you spent them on, and check the live leaderboard. Top 3 attendees with the most CollabCoins will each win a fully modernized retro classic. The legendary Sinclair Spectrum 48, complete with basic Z80 assembler and a library of preloaded games ready to plug into your modern TV and gamepad. Join us for the official ECS 2025 party, proudly brought to you by our premium sponsors, Experts Inside. Expect a night of fun, music, and community. We've got a live band, the amazing Opera House Band, food, drinks, and yes, there are rumors of cowboy and cowgirl bands. So don't forget your boots and hats.
Welcome to ECS 2025, and let's have a ton of learning, networking, and fun together. Remember, those are 3 different conferences, but one amazing community.